Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, we are going to fix the issue some apps are not working on our Windows 11 or 10 PC. Even you can't able to open any apps like a store and other apps on your Windows 11 PC or 10 PC. So let's start the process guys. So first of all, you need to make sure that if you are able to open the install app, I mean the particular app which is not working, go to the install app and go to install app here, and first we can try to reset that app. Like if calculator is not working, go to advanced options and scroll down and look for reset option. So this is the first step, and this is a basic step to troubleshoot this kind of issue. If it fixes your issue, then well and good. If not, move on to the second method. So in the second method guys, you need to also make sure that you are using the latest Windows. If anything is pending on your Windows, make sure you should be getting the tick like this. And if you can also still get the latest Windows, and check if it fixed the issue or not. If not, we can move on to the third method. In the third method guide, we will reset all the apps like pre-installed app on your Windows 11 or 10 PC. Pre-install, I mean the like calculator, Microsoft Store, all the apps will be reset. So open the PowerShell as admin with the right click, hit yes. Now the first command is this one. You will get all the command into my description box. Simply you need to copy here and just paste it like this and hit enter. So once you hit enter, all the packages will be reset here, and once it is done, ignore all the messages here. Once it is done, just restart your system after executing this command and check if it fixed the issue or not. If not, it means that the issue is big and our window is corrupted somehow, so we have to repair our Windows. So these are the commands for repairing. Like first command is to check the health here. Just hit this command like this, and you can see the operation completed successfully and no corruption store detected. But you need to execute all the commands here. This will scan the health of the Windows. And basically the third command is very powerful in this case. So just enter, and this will restore the bad image of the system. Deployment Imaging Services Management, DISM. This you can see Deployment Image Servicing and Management Tool. And once this command is done guys, let me hit the restore command here. Third command you need to enter here. Just copy this. This will be pasted. Now this is the most powerful command to restore the health of the image, so make sure it will go to 100%. and if it found any corruptions, you just have to restart the system guys, and after that execute this command sfc. The process will look like this, okay, and it will go to 100%, and thereafter execute the sfc command. So make sure you have restarted the system, and after that execute the sfc command, and it should fix your issue now. If after restarting this command, I mean if you have restarted the Windows also after executing the sfc command, if you have still issue, so you can execute this command. So this command will basically reinstall all the packages, and this one is for resetting the packages. Okay, so both commands are very powerful. So last method you can try this, and now Okay, cannot be accept. Okay, so I will recorrect this command, guys, and put into the description box. After this command is done, you have to restart the system and it should fix the issue. If still not working, so you have to reinstall the Windows, or you can go for reset PC. So hope this helps you guys. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.